Okay, we have some different black and white toys here. This one here was made just out of hair bobs from the dollar store, and somewhere in there it's tied off with zip ties that have been filed off so that there aren't sharp edges. We've got one of these bendy snake toys in black and white. And then we've got something called baby paper, which actually makes a really nice crinkly sound, but I guess it's safe for babies to chew on, and you can wash it and it comes back to being all crinkly again. I like the audible and haptic qualities that it had, plus it had those visual black and white strong contrast design. And then we have a Look book by Peter Linenthal. So this is another black and white board book that could be used.